how content creation will change your life, how content creation has changed my life as a person. But you know what, like the craziest part of it is that the life that you're living at the moment, the life that you're living right now, will completely change because of one video that you post, okay, on social media. It doesn't matter what platform you serve, what platform you're trying to post your content on. I'm talking about experience. I started content creation a year ago, and now it's nearly going to be 2 years. It's not just about earning money, it's not just about making millions, thousands, and even a lot of dollars. But the thing is, the life that you're living at the moment could completely change because of one video you post, and even one idea, even one moment where you decide to share, to participate your voice with this world. That's what I call quantum creation rather than content creation. A quantum creation is when you create something small but shift your entire reality, okay? And that's exactly what content creation does to you, and as it did to me. I don't actually care how many videos I post, and what I care about is literally making impact in people's lives and even help people out there. Because what I believe, so starting content creation online on the internet, whether that's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you opening many doors, versions of your life. And let's be honest here, before I started content creation, I used to think about you needed to be perfect because you know how to do storytelling, everything, have a good camera lighting, and even perfect camera and even perfect lighting, confidence. But the truth is, a lot of these things never happen unless you take action. And nobody starts perfect. Everyone starts somewhere. Everyone starts awkward. And you have to believe that, and you have to understand that as well. And everyone starts unknown, and then they become recognizable. You start unrecognizable, and then you become recognizable. Everyone starts with 0 viewers, okay? And so right now, I struggle to get a lot of viewers at the moment, but something strange happens when you keep posting, when you keep creating. At first, nothing happens. Then slowly, people start watching your content. Then people start listening. Then people start saying something you never expected. You got lucky, and your content helped me. And then the moment that you realize something happening, your voice has value. Content creation isn't just about earning money, isn't just about having lots of viewers, millions of viewers. It's all about transformation. And when you create content, 3 things start changing in your life, okay? The first thing is your mindset changes, and you start thinking differently. You start noticing ideas everywhere, and even you stop consuming the internet and you start building on it, okay? This is what happened to me. A year ago, I kept scrolling a lot on social media, and then now when I start creating content, I never scroll, so I have sense of purpose. And the second thing which start happening, your confidence changes. Like every video post is a vote of the person that you're becoming. First, it feels scary. When you realize something that opinions that used to control you don't actually matter. The third thing that happens is that your opportunities change. In 2026, attention is the most valuable currency that you will have in the internet. So now, I know a lot of people might ask, in order to get attention, you need to have proper editing, thumbnails, titles. But you know what? You start somewhere and you build over there, because one video can bring new connection, business opportunities, friendship, and even doors you never knew has existed before. But the biggest thing is that content creation gives you a freedom to express yourself, and even freedom to share your ideas, freedom to build something that belongs to you. And the powerful, here's the truth about starting content creation in 2026, okay? You don't need to have a fancy equipment, okay? You don't need to have a huge following. You don't need to be an expert. What you need 3 things, okay? You need to have your phone, the idea, and then the courage to start, to press record. Because that's what a lot of people struggle with at the moment. Because the creators who win in 2026 aren't the most perfect ones. They are the one who most consistent, showing up, and even they share what they learned and even improve what they post at a time. And the things you will learn from content creation are the things that you never taught in school. You won't, school never teach you how to make money online, right? How to communicate, how to tell the stories, how to build an audience, how to turn ideas into impact, and how to create content that serve other people. But most importantly, you will learn who you really are, and you will learn that because when you create content, you are constantly asking yourself what you believe in. What do I believe in? What do I want to participate with the world? And what the content creation happens. One piece of content can reach someone across the world. One message can change someone's perspective. One creator can change the entire life. If you've been thinking about starting content creation, starting a YouTube channel in 2026, so this is your sign. Why not? Start messy. No one cares, because if you start messy and it starts skirts and even it start unknown and even it start a year from now, you either wish you started or you will be grateful that you did. Your voice matters and your ideas matters at the same time, and the internet is waiting for the creators who are brave enough to share their ideas and participate with the world. And all you need to do is to press a record and get it started, because everything is start from nowhere and then to get somewhere, right? And start creating your next reality. If this video resonates with you, let me know in the comment section below. Have you started creating content yet?